Hello, and in today's episode of Free Spirit DIY, we're going to be changing a toilet seat. Now, I never thought I'd be in here, but if you look at this, okay, this toilet seat is completely broken. It's got absolutely knackered. I don't know about you, but we get through a lot of toilet seats in this house. It's a bit weird. I've never done it before, but in this episode, we're going to see how to change your toilet seat. You can see just here what's happened. The hinge is just broken at the back there, it's just snapped. No idea how, and it's all coming apart here. So the whole thing now is just not really functioning properly. So the first thing we need to do is under here, these little screw things here that hold it on, we have to take them off. There's one on each side, one here and one on the other side, which you can possibly see there. So all I'm going to do is get a medium-sized adjustable spanner. Hopefully this one will be big enough, and try and get around these bits. As ever, they're difficult to get to. There's not much space behind these toilet seats. Let's tighten it up. So I'm just going to undo these here, just to get to a point where it's hand tight. That's it. Then we can just twist it off by hand here, like such. Okay, do the same thing on the other side. Again, just the wrong way. Again, just loose enough to get it hand tight. They are quite awkward to get to these things. Oh my god. Okay, so once you've eventually managed to do all that unscrewing in there, it's just a matter of just lifting it off like this. Okay, quite often you'll find at the top of it, it's all manky like it is at the back here. And I've got some gloves and a sponge I'm just going to wipe that down with. Now at the back of your toilet you've got two holes, one here and one here. What you'll find is that your holes will be bigger than these, but I've got one here and one there, and they've both already got these lug things in them. And so these lugs just make the holes smaller. And because the toilet seat I'm replacing it with is exactly the same as the one I've just taken out, then I'll leave these in here. Otherwise, you just have to take them out and fit them with the new ones. So there's very little space to work in here. It's a small room, so I'm just having to do the best I can. So here's a new toilet seat, still in its wrapper. So I'm going to break that open now. You'll notice kind of underneath it, it's got all the fittings inside there, so we want to keep them somewhere safe for a moment. Now, one thing you will notice when you're fitting a toilet seat, every single toilet seat is different. So the one you're replacing it with is different to the previous one. You're going to have different fittings and different ways of fitting it onto your toilet. So if you look at the bottom of this one, it's got these little hole things on the bottom of here, on the bottom of the seat. And in those little holes, you insert these screw threads, which are here. If that's right. Okay, so then because I've already done this one exact same toilet, I'm just going to use the toilet seat rather. I'm just going to use the positions it was in on the last one, and then just screw them into here like such. And this one was on the right hand side hole on here, and then this just allows you maximum flexibility when you come to fitting it. It depends on how your toilet works. And then just to tighten those up, I'm going to quickly just grab a pair of pliers and just give it a quick grip. Okay, and once you've done that, then there's these little rubber things that go on the toilet to stop it slipping around. And again, these have got a hole in to see where it fits into. So I'm going to put this one over the top of there, like such. And this one, I'm going to go on that side, like such. And then these just act as little washers that go on the bottom, they stop the toilet sliding around. So then we just want to hold these rubber things in place, here and here, and line it up with our holes in the back of the toilet. Just wiggle it down until it fits in the right place, and then you'll just need to move your rubber bits around until they're in the right bit as well. Okay, so these bits, look, they just go under here like this, hold it with one hand, and then you put that bit that way up under here and just screw that in. And again, you've got the eternal screwing process. Okay, so you just want to do one side kind of finger tight to start with, and then go and do the other side afterwards. Alright, once you've got it finger tight, if you want to make any fine adjustments to the position of it, and then do it as tight as you can by hand on both sides of it. And then just get your spanner and do it super tight. So once you've eventually done all that tightening up, and it does take a little while, you end up with your nice firmly fixed on toilet seat. Nice soft close, does the job properly, and soft close on here as well. And that is your toilet seat all fixed. And there we are. Please do like and subscribe to this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support us. And we look forward to seeing you for another video next Tuesday. Alright, have a good day. Bye.